Okay, welcome to Missouri Family Farm. Here we will talk about how to plant a garden in southwestern Missouri. And we are doing it as a large family who has some land to plant a large garden. First, we measured out our plot. It's a very pretty large plot for a garden. And then we got panels and hooked them together and started rototilling. We bought a rototiller at Menards, and it was an earthquake rototiller. It worked great. And at some points my husband only had to use one hand to do it because it worked so well. But hindsight, we could have cut the sod off. This is our first year that we've done a big garden plot like this. We've done smaller garden plots in the ground. Usually we do raised beds. So this will be really neat to experiment with and see how it goes here in Missouri. The ground we worked with was really soft already. The soil underneath it was really soft and easy to work with. So that is probably why the rototiller worked so well. If you have a harder soil with a lot of rocks, it probably will take a lot longer to do. Well, it's all done and tilled up, and now it is time for us to go through it and pick out the weeds and start planting. Our first crops we're going to get in the ground are our potatoes and onions. Okay, we're all done. You can see now that we planted our first 2 rows. We only planted a portion of them because they're so large, but the first things we planted were our potatoes. We only planted a few, and onions and some cilantro. So in our next video we'll show you exactly how we planted